Chemicals from common salts. The following are some of the chemicals produced from salts. Common salt. Common salt with the chemical name of sodium chloride is an ionic compound with the formula NaCl. It is responsible for the salinity of the ocean. It is commonly used as a condiment and food preservative since it is the major ingredient in edible salt. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, commonly known as caustic soda, has a molecular formula as NaOH. It is a highly caustic metallic base available in pellets, flakes, granules, and as a 50% saturated solution. It is soluble in water, ethanol, and methanol. It is used as a strong chemical base in the manufacture of pulp and paper, textiles, drinking water, soaps and detergents, and as a drain cleaner. Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, with the chemical name of calcium hypochlorite, is a chemical compound with formula CaClO2. It is used mainly for water treatment and as a bleaching agent. It is relatively stable chemical and has greater chlorine available than sodium hypochlorite. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, commonly known as baking soda, is the chemical compound with the formula of NaHCO3. It is a white solid that is crystalline but appears as a fine powder. It has a slightly salty alkaline taste. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate, commonly known as washing soda or soda ash, with the chemical formula of Na2CO3, is a sodium salt. It is domestically well known for its everyday use as a water softener. It can be extracted from the ashes of many plants. It is synthetically produced in large quantities from salt and limestone.